Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what we have here. We have a men's robe, and it is gray and size large, extra large. And so let's see how this looks here. So this is the string for it, but let's try this on and see how it is. I don't know if I've ever had a robe before, but okay, so this is it. And not sure what this string is for, because, I guess you can tie it up on the inside here if you wanted to. So it'll keep it closed. And then you have this one here for the outside. So this is how it will go here. Let's just put this on, do a quick tie, and it's pretty nice. You see it's got two pockets on the side here, pocket on pocket and pocket. And I don't know if you can see, here, let me aim you guys over here in my little corner. You can see it goes down to a little bit over my knees. So this is it. And this is what it looks like in the back. And it's kind of a towelish kind of material. Let me show you here. It reminds me of some of the towels that you get at certain places, but I'll show you. It's like this. Not super duper thick or anything, so it's nice. It says it's 100% polyester. You can machine wash it. That's the information right there for it. And then what's this say here? It just says light gray, 100% polyester, large, extra large. So that's what it looks like. So nice looking robe. I like it. So thumbs up for me.